How to download and install the TD Bank app on Android. This tutorial shows you how to find and install the official TD Bank app on your Android device. First, open the Play Store on your Android device. After that, tap on the search icon at the bottom center of the screen. From there, tap on the search bar at the top and type in TD Bank. At this point, tap on TD Bank from the search results to open the app page. In the next step, before tapping install, make sure you are downloading the official and legitimate app. Check the reviews and download count to verify it is the real one. Following this, this particular app has over 5 million downloads, which is a good sign that it is the genuine TD Bank app. Once done, tap on Install and wait for the app to finish downloading and installing on your device. From here, once the installation is complete, tap on Open to launch the app. Finally, log in using your TD Bank credentials, and you will have full access to your account and all the banking features directly from your Android device. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you download and install the TD Bank app, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.